Hey y'all, today I'm gonna fix some red rice. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, get your pot on the stove, cut it up to about medium high heat, and get you a heaping spoonful of bacon grease, and then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now when your grease is up to temp, go ahead and add in your smoked sausage. The sausage I'm using in this recipe came from the Hunter Pork Center out of Pikeville, North Carolina. But go ahead, throw your sausage in there and brown it up. Now I kind of got ahead of myself. I didn't record myself pouring in the onions and bell pepper, but dice you up a green bell pepper and a vidalia onion and throw that in the pot and cook it till those onions are clear. Now when your onions are cooked clear, add in 2 cups of tomato juice, and then you're going to follow that up with 1 can of tomato soup. Now when you get everything stirred together, go ahead and add your seasonings. We're going to add salt, black pepper, hot sauce, and a little bit of sugar that'll knock the edge off of it. I don't measure these spices. I just add a little bit and taste, until I get it exactly where I want it. And you do the same with however you want to cook this recipe. Just adjust each thing to your preference. When you got the seasoning where you want it, go ahead and add 3 cups of your long grain rice. I'm just using Zatarain's parboiled, and then we're going to stir it in there. Alright, then we're going to transfer our red rice to our bacon dish. We're going to pour it in there, spread it out as even as you can, and then wrap it real tight with a couple layers of tin foil. Alright, set your oven at 350 degrees. Throw that red rice in there, and you're going to let it cook for 1 hour. Alright, so the rice is out of the oven. We've let it sit for about 15 minutes, and we're going to take the tin foil off of it. And my, this looks so good. Now, go ahead and taste it. Make sure the rice is done. If it's not done, add a little bit of water, cover it back up, put it in the oven until it is done. But our red rice is done, and we're going to fix our plate because I'm ready to eat. The first thing we're going to put on that plate is a big spoonful of that red rice. Now let me just add this in there. The recipe I used tonight is my own version of my aunt's recipe. So the recipe's been in the family a long time, but most of the recipes I use are family recipes. So on this plate, we got a red rice, and then I'm gonna add some field peas and snaps because why not? Field peas and snaps are so good. And then following that, we're gonna add a couple pieces of fried chicken. And I'm telling you, we're gonna eat good here at the Pope Parsonage tonight. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make this recipe, put in the comments how it turned out. Thank you.